Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive CRM account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your Zoom account to your Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that automating your Zoom meetings with Pipedrive can speed up your efficiency. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your Zoom account, what you're going to do is go ahead and click on this puzzle icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on Browse Marketplace. It's a green button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the apps available for your Pipedrive account. However, what I'll normally do is click on the search bar and just type in Zoom and then search. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the Zoom logo right here. Go ahead and click there. Okay, next, Pipedrive is going to give you information on connecting your Zoom meetings to Pipedrive. So go ahead and read through that and then click on Authorize. It's a green button here on the bottom right. Okay, next, you're going to choose which users are going to be able to use this function. For me, I'm going to leave it at only me. However, you can go ahead and specify a specific user or you can have it available to all users and then click on Next. Okay, next, they let you know the permissions that Zoom's going to need. So go ahead and click on Allow and Install. Okay, next, Zoom opens up the browser and they're going to show you your Zoom account right here. If it's the wrong account, you can click on the blue Switch Account button and then change it over to the correct Zoom and then read through this. This is the that are necessary for Zoom to work with your Pipedrive account. If it looks good to you, go ahead and click on this Allow this app to use my shared access permissions and then click on Allow. It's a blue button at the bottom. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now my Zoom account has been added to my Pipedrive, so I can use that for scheduling meetings. And to confirm that, you can click on the puzzle icon once again on the top right, and then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and under all apps, you should see Zoom meetings. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Zoom account to your Pipedrive CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.